Hello students, this is Dr. Navajyoti Bhattacharjee, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, PDU Government Model College, Katlichora. I am starting a new lecture series on information and communication technology. This lecture series is for the beginners who are learning ICT for a competitive examination, especially for UGC NET. So I hope you like the content of the video, and if you have any questions or queries, ask me in the comment section. So let's start the video. In this video we'll learn about softwares. So in softwares we have system software, that is operating systems, Windows or Linux, the application software which are we know MS Office, web browser, etc., and the utility software, that is antivirus, compression tools. These are some overviews. Now, what is a system software? System software is a set of programs designed to control and manage computer hardware. So there are some programs or a set of programs which is designed to manage the computer hardware and to provide a platform for running application software. It acts as an interface between the hardware and the user, ensuring that all hardware components function together seamlessly. The characteristics of the system software are as follows: runs continuously in the background, starts automatically when the computer boots, manages essential hardware operations. So, the software which runs in the background of the computer to systematically operate all the hardware components is called the system software. I hope you understand this. Thank you.